Hi guys, let me put up here. Today I have this flower die right here. Then I have this floating cup with Elsa on up, like Elsa on up. And I have this fox. Okay, try it on for you guys. See how do I look? Well, I look like a fox. What did the fox say? Okay, put this back. You can go like this. You can put your ST in there. Okay, time to open this toy. Okay, too excited. I can't do it. You easily need an adult to help you so it can work. How this thing goes. Oh, I got it. The box goes right there. Oh, okay. Okay, now we have our cute flower side coming out. Look at her, she's so pretty and beautiful. Look at her mane. It's so pretty. It's like her wings. Oh, her cutie mark. A tail on whoa, flower side. Her ears. The same thing. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. If you click here to by my hand, way up there, but you can see it. Tell me in the comments which mane is good, or this, or what's the better? My fox hat are the best. They're my cut up on my microphone. 10 comments. Bye.